Hello, my name is Hakim with takeoffexperts.ca. Today I want to do something which I've never done before in my videos. I will show you the money, hopefully in 5 minutes or less. You know, there are more and more people appearing online every day stating how they became successful and how you too can earn immense incomes without really working hard if only you purchase their service or course. Now, some of these courses may be really good. I'm not here to sell you any kind of expensive courses or training. I believe there is no alternative to hard work, or at least focused efforts, especially if you're a contractor of any kind, not just a painting contractor. The title of this video is Show Me the Money. So I'm sure that's what's on your mind right now. If you have done some commercial painting projects, you will probably understand the process of receiving an interim progress payment check or a final fallback payment when you finish a project. This is not different. I sent the statutory declaration and proof of insurance to the GC last week in order for them to mail me my check for 2 new construction projects, one of which is almost complete. Now, I will not show you the name of the company paying me, but I will show you the relevant parts of the checks. Here is the first one, and here is the second one. Now, getting paid like this takes time, effort, and focus. In order to get paid like this, you need to do 2 things. First, you need to get your takeoffs done properly and professionally. Then, you need to submit your bids. I watched a presentation yesterday by a successful businessman, and he said, surround yourself with a good team. So that's my message also. You don't need to do everything yourself or hire a full-time in-house estimator if you can't afford one, if your painting company is still small to medium-sized. Get someone to do your takeoffs for you properly, then make your bid and submit it, and then repeat the process. Keep on bidding till you get some commercial painting contracts that are profitable. The more you bid, the higher your chances of getting profitable painting contracts. Hi there, so here we are. I'm going to the mailbox now to take a look and see if my check is here. Alright, let's go. Let's take a look here. Looks like we have some mail. Take a look. Oh yeah, there are a couple of checks here, looks like a couple of envelopes. Anyway, we'll go to my home office and open them up and see what we have. Let's go back to my vehicle here. That's the vehicle I use for my business. We are still painting. We are not just doing takeoffs, we are painting also. So we'll see you at my home office. And here we are, making a deposit. Deposit here, 550. And there's number, and that's it. That's done. So getting your takeoffs done properly is important. To be able to submit the right bid, do the contracts, and get paid. If you have any questions, just contact me from my website. Don't just keep on watching my videos and doing nothing. At some point, you have to do something about it. For now, all you need to do is press that button and start the communication process from my website. My name is Hakim with takeoffexperts.ca. See you in my next video.